At Cruise Chevrolet, we know you are looking for a vehicle to solve everyday tasks. Whether loading the kids' soccer equipment or having a night out with your friends, you will have the room you need, making those everyday tasks an ease to accomplish. You will love this white 2013 Chevrolet Suburban SUV LTZ 1500, equipped with an 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Enjoy an impressive 21 miles to the gallon on this family SUV with features like keyless entry, cargo mat, tow hooks, rear stereo controls, heated driver and passenger seating, SCV, speed compensated volume, heated outside mirrors, rear air conditioning, heated seats, trailer towing hitch, power lumbar support, cargo light, anti-theft stereo, blind spot detection information system, auxiliary audio input, halogen headlights, television, running boards, power lumbar seats, full-size spare tire, and much more. Enjoy the drive, feel safe, and have peace of mind in this 2013 Chevrolet Suburban. See us at Cruise Chevrolet today.